Hello, it's me from the channel. Today we're going to do a watercolor sun catcher craft. This is a really fun one, so let's get started. To make this sun catcher, you will need watercolor paints, watercolor paper, a paintbrush, a knife, a glass jar or bowl, clear sticky tape, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, and some string or yarn. First, take your paints and your paintbrush and add some water to your paintbrush. Now you want to dilute your paint because we're going to be doing a wash technique. Then start washing in your paints. You can do a design like this or whatever you want to do, and then let it dry. Just take your glass jar or bowl and trace around it on your paper. Make sure that you go all the way around. After that, use your knife to carefully cut out the circle. Try not to make any mistakes, because this is your pattern for your stained glass window. Once you have it cut out, set it aside. Then take your paints and add a little bit of water to your paintbrush, and add just a little bit of paint and wash it.
Outside the circle.
Again, you don't want to make it too dark. It's just a little bit of color, and then let it dry. Repeat this step until you have done all of your colors. It should look something like this when you're finished. Now take your piece of sticky tape, put it over your design, and trace around it with your pencil. Cut out your sticky tape, and then peel off the backing. Place it on your window, and use a razor blade or a knife to push out any air bubbles. Take your paints and add a little bit of water to your paintbrush. Trace around the edges of the sticky tape. This will give it a stained glass effect. Let it dry, and then move on to the next step. Take your string or yarn and make a loop. Put your finger through the loop and pull it tight. Now take your pencil and place it at the top of the loop. Push down so that it makes an indent in the loop. Now take your sun catcher and place it on the ground or propped up against something like a tree. Take your string and tie it to the top of the sun catcher. Then take the other end of the string and place it in between two fingers. Hold it tight and now pull it upward. Give it a couple of tugs to make sure it's secure. If you look closely, you can see that the light is shining through the paints and it looks like stained glass. It's really pretty. You can make several of these and hang them up outside during the summer to catch the sunlight. Let's make great decorations. For my second project, I'm going to show you how to make a sun catcher without using watercolor paints. This one is really easy and kids love it. You will need clear sticky tape, tissue paper, colored pencils, a paintbrush, a glass jar or bowl, scissors, and a pencil. First, trace around your glass jar or bowl onto the sticky tape. Cut out your circle and then peel off the backing. Place it on your window and smooth out any wrinkles. Next, take your tissue paper and color it with your colored pencils. Make sure that you color all the way to the edges, because the light will shine through the edges, and you want all of those areas filled in. Once you have colored your tissue paper, cut out your design. Set it aside. Then take your paintbrush, dip it into a little bit of water, and paint over your design. This will help the tissue paper stick to the sticky tape. Let it dry, and there you go. Your sun catcher is complete. I love doing these types of crafts with my kids. We have so much fun making all the different colors and then hanging them up outside. The light shining through the tissue paper is so pretty. If you enjoyed today's projects, give them a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we post new videos. I'll see you next time.